In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to save chatbot references, create a space, export citations, and manage your chat history in SCiNiTO. At the end of every AI chat response, you'll see an option called Make Space. Click on Make Space, and in the Name of Research Space field, enter the name of your desired research space. If needed, you can also add a short description explaining the purpose of it. If you would like to collaborate, you can enter the names of colleagues who are already registered in SCiNiTO. Select their names to add them to the space. Once added, they will be able to access the saved references within their own accounts. After finalizing everything, click Save. Your space will be created, and you can access it anytime from the Research Spaces tab. If you click the Search button below the chatbot response, the exact prompt you entered in AI chat will automatically be transferred to the search bar. From there, SCiNiTO will search for related articles using the same keywords, helping you expand your research directly from your original query. By clicking the Copy button, the entire chatbot response, including all references, will be copied to your clipboard. When you paste it into a Word document, the references will appear in the correct citation format. In-text citations will automatically display the author name and publication year. This makes it easy to integrate AI-assisted insights directly into your academic writing. You can access your previous chatbot conversations through the Chat History section. You can reopen and continue past conversations, retrieve previous searches, or permanently delete any chat history by clicking the delete icon. That's all for this tutorial. Try it yourself at SCiNiTO's website to make your research process smoother and more efficient.